Alright guys and gals, this is how you make your own texture tool. Follow this method and you'll have great success with it. First thing we're going to use is our 303, and we do that because very lightly wipe it. Now you're going to use, because you have your dent pulling tools, your hot glue gun. Now you're going to use the black, which is in the show more of the video description. All our tools are always there.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
And for those of you that ask, can I use this, or can I use that, or can I use this glue or that? Our videos are extremely product and method specific. So you can use whatever you want. We're just sharing with you what works for us. Tab for your dent pulling, and you're going to put your glue on top. Now the glue gun is barely warmed up, as you can see. You just put it on top, and what I like to do is let it set for a second, see how warm it is to my touch, and then you just place it on like this. Let it dry, and then we'll use 99%, spray it on there, pop it off, and I'll show you what it looks like. We saved this secret for years because a lot of you want to repair your dash with your filler putty, then stamp it and get the texture back in it. You can do it with the paint that you put on it just before the paint's dry and stamp it, but we found that it works the best if you put your filler putty on and just before it's dry, test a few areas on a board or a piece of cardboard, see how long it takes compared to your temperature in your room, how long it takes for your filler putty to start setting up, and just before it's not tacky anymore, then you'll stamp it with your stamp here. So let's take that off now because it's only been, what, 30 seconds? One thing about this body glue for pulling dents is it dries quite fast and it does not like 99%, so it comes right off. Once you spray a little bit up there, all you do is pop it off. Look at that. There's your texture, my friends. It's up to you to find out how long it takes your paint to get just tacky or for your filler putty. And that is a perfect impression. Doesn't get any better than that. Say there was a crack right here and we had our filler putty in, it was just still soft. You would take your stamp and go over it like that and put your impression in it. But that is a huge trade secret for us that nobody else has ever shared.